Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canva Pro. First, let's explore the incredible advantages of a Pro subscription. You gain access to a vast library of over 100 million premium stock photos, videos, and audio tracks, ensuring your designs always stand out. Plus, you get a generous 100 gigabytes of cloud storage, keeping all your creative projects safe and easily accessible. This makes managing your brand assets and content creation incredibly efficient and streamlined. Next, let's dive into two powerful features, the Brand Kit and Magic Resize. The Brand Kit allows you to upload your custom fonts, logos, and color palettes, ensuring every design perfectly aligns with your brand's identity. With Magic Resize, you can effortlessly transform a single design into multiple formats for different platforms, saving you hours of manual adjustments. And for quick edits, the Background Remover tool makes isolating subjects a breeze, all with just one click. Now, let's explore how Canva Pro enhances your workflow and collaboration. The Content Planner lets you schedule your social media posts directly from the platform, streamlining your content strategy. For teams, Pro allows up to 5 members to collaborate on projects, sharing designs and feedback in real time. This fosters a more productive environment, ensuring everyone is on the same page and contributing effectively to your creative goals, all within one intuitive platform. To truly maximize your Canva Pro experience, here are a few tips. Always start by exploring the vast collection of premium templates. They offer professional designs ready for customization. Organize your projects into folders to keep your workspace tidy and easily find past work. Finally, learn a few key keyboard shortcuts to significantly speed up your design process. These small habits will help you create stunning visuals more efficiently and effectively, making the most of your Pro subscription.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.